everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is one of those days that started very simply but somehow turned into one of those warm, cozy weekends that you don't want to end. The morning started with me making the bed really quickly. I know this sounds so random, but making my bed is genuinely one of my favorite things to do in the morning.
We left home and then we went back to put sunscreen.
After that, me and Manjot went for a morning walk. The society was quiet and peaceful, and there's something so nice about walking around early in the morning before the whole world wakes up. Everything just feels softer somehow. Now we're done with our walk. We walked for what, an hour? And we're going home now. We met the cutest dogs. They were so cute. One is Casper, one is Phoebe. And then we met a little girl. She was also so adorable. I said, I was petting her dog. Then she came and held my hand. And I said, hi. And she said, hi. I said, you have summer vacations? She's like, yeah, that's why I'm walking my dog. And I'm also walking my grumpy father. It was so cute. She must be what? 2 or 3? Adorable. Damn cute. But yeah, let's get the day started. Okay, so I think it's 10 something and I'm finally having breakfast. I cut up like 4 cucumbers. I'm gonna have it with hummus and garlic dip, as you know. I'm gonna stop buying garlic dip now. I'm gonna make my own hunker. This is a recipe that Manjot's mom taught me. So I'm gonna try making it after this is over. Yeah. So let's eat. I'm really hungry. The TV is not starting for some reason. But anyway, let's get the day started. Please keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Oh. We got ice cream. Manjot got this. Oh, yummy. I wanted to tell you guys something. So, there was an offer when we were ordering the ice cream that if you add, that you can add something worth a lot for 9 rupees. So we couldn't decide what to order. So Manjot said, I'll order, it's okay. I said, okay. You know what he ordered? This is a Disney princess coloring kit for me. It has an eraser that I really like. It has stuff that is really nice. Comments?
You know why I got it.
Anyway, this is what it is. Later that day, I had some watermelon, and in the evening, I got spinach, corn and cheese sandwich from Cafe Coffee Day. But the real excitement of the day was that in the evening, we were heading to Indiranagar to meet my college friends. How are you? So it's 7 something and it's a Friday, so Manjot and I are heading out. We're gonna go meet my college friends. You've seen them in my vlogs before, Krishna, and basically they're my college friends. We're gonna plan B in Indiranagar. Super excited. It's gonna be a fun night, hopefully. And so let's go. I am the whole day we basically didn't do anything. We're hosting again tomorrow, so very excited. But hope today is fun too. We are probably going to be very tired tomorrow, but it's absolutely all worth it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and please keep watching. I was so excited because these are my friends from college and I've known them for more than 10 years now. You know, those people with whom absolutely nothing changes. You can meet after weeks, months, whenever, and somehow the conversations start exactly where it left off. That's what it's like with them. Okay, we're gonna plan B on 100 Feet Road in Indiranagar, and this is my 3rd time there, Manjot's 1st time. We're gonna go meet all my college friends. I'm super excited. We're already there. We're like, what, 5 minutes away. Yeah. We first went to Plan B in Indiranagar, and the whole time I was there, I kept thinking of the old Plan B in Ashoknagar, right next to St. Joseph's College, where I studied. We used to go there all the time and it was such a different vibe. This one was nice too. The chicken wings were really good, but the vibe wasn't just vibing. So obviously, like every friend group does, we collectively decided we needed to leave and go somewhere else. Then we went to Quarter Peter. And I have to say, this place was actually so nice. Every restaurant or pub that opens there somehow never works out. So I really hope this one does, because the food was genuinely delicious and surprisingly inexpensive. It actually reminded me a little of Bob's Bar in Indranagar. We ordered so much food. There was chili, Mangalorean style pork, mutton fry, chicken lollipop, and everything was amazing. But honestly, the best part wasn't even the food. It was just sitting there talking for hours, laughing about random things, remembering old stories, and somehow still behaving exactly like we did 10 years ago. By the time we left, it was almost 1 a.m. and of course, even while leaving, we stood outside and kept talking again because no friend group ever says bye properly the first time.
Okay, so we are now going back home. It's 1:18. Wow. Time passed, like time flew by because we had an amazing time. At least I did. Manjot, what about you? Did you have fun with my friends?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the food was amazing. It was really good. I'm gonna go home and tell you guys in detail. We are back home. Okay, so we're back home. It's gonna be 2 a.m. I'm gonna quickly take off my makeup, change, and then sleep. But tomorrow, hopefully, is another exciting day. So see you tomorrow. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's Saturday. We are going to the doctor. Because my grandmom's knee has some issue, and so she's probably going to come, but I just want to talk to the doctor, take his opinion before getting her here, because she's going to come from really far if she has to. So yeah, let's get the day started. It's a very hectic day today because we're hosting and my parents are coming, so a lot to do. But yeah, please keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're back because the hospital is right next to our house. So the doctor said that it's okay. It's just like she can just get it. Like it's okay. She doesn't have to travel. So that's a good thing. That's a relief. And so now we're gonna go home. My parents are on the way. They're coming home too because we're hosting, as I said. And Devayan and senior uncle and Rita Mami are coming. So if you watched my previous vlogs, you'll know who they are. We're very close to them. And yeah. Let's get the day started.
After that, my parents were coming to stay with us for the first time. I was genuinely so excited because they have never stayed over with us before and it just felt so special. We were also hosting family friends later that evening, so my mom and dad decided to come early to help us with everything. As soon as my mom got home, the first thing she did was take out a bottle of Ganga Jal and sprinkle it around the house to cleanse everything. And then, the second she found out that Manjot and I hadn't eaten breakfast, she immediately started making dosa for us, like every typical mother who simply cannot see her children hungry. And this day felt even more special because ever since I was little, Gopal Seva has been such an important tradition in our family. I've grown up watching my parents and my grandparents take care of little Krishna, and for the first time, our 3 Gopals were coming to our house. The whole house just felt peaceful, blessed and divine that day. After that, we rested for a little while and chatted, and then Didi came to start preparing for the evening. She started making kurkure bhindi and rotis, and there was so much more food happening in the kitchen. We also got flowers delivered. And downstairs in the society, there was Ram Navami celebrations happening too. There was a whole procession in the evening, music, lights, people everywhere, and the whole society felt so festive. At this point, I was starving, so I had my ultimate comfort food, butter rice with a little bit of salt and chili. I also had a cold, so my mom mixed it for me and fed me herself, and somehow that instantly made me feel better.
Hello, it's 7:45 and I am down with a little bit of a cold. But today's been a really busy day and I haven't been able to vlog. I made paneer, whose recipe is up on my YouTube shorts, so if you want to check it out, please do. And it's really good. Manjot had it. Manjot, what's your verdict? We are waiting for senior uncle Deva and Rita Mummy. So my parents have been like helping out like crazy. Also, like when I'm sick, my favorite food is butter and rice with a little bit of chili and salt. So I was not feeling good at all, and because my mom's here, she quickly like made rice and mixed it with butter, and she like literally fed me. So it was amazing. I feel a little better after having that, to be honest. We're all ready. Let me show you the house. My parents are just chilling in the living room. Let me show you the house. As usual, I have cleaned it all. Yeah, let's go. This is my husband. This is Manjot's mess. This is the thing. I need to keep my straightener back. So we have a lot of food tonight. Manjot's also made chili potato. My mom and dad are gonna stay here. That's their luggage. And Gopal is also here. I honestly, I need a table lamp there. I just realized I'm gonna get one.
Since we had a little time before everyone arrived, me and my mom went downstairs to see the Ram Navami celebrations.
Queenie.
The celebration was huge, so we called Manjot and my dad to come downstairs and join us too. We had prasad, walked a little, and then suddenly realized that our guests had already reached home, so we rushed back upstairs. Senior uncle, Rita Mami and Deban had arrived. We greeted them and then we sat with our starters, which were the same as last time. So if you guys watched my previous vlog, then you already know. And then came dinner. There was dhania chicken, prawns I made, rice, roti, 3 kinds of Bengali sabzis, chutney, and honestly, it was a full feast. There was so much food, so much talking, and by the time it ended, we had enough leftovers to probably feed ourselves for the next 3 days. After dropping everyone downstairs, we came back home, admired the beautiful Fab India gift from Senior Uncle, which I'll open in the next vlog, and then went straight to bed. The next morning, all of us decided to have breakfast at the cafe downstairs in our society. On the way, we met Queenie, and obviously Manjot had to stop and pet her. And then we went to the cafe and ordered way too much food. And honestly, whenever we're happy, we order extra food. I don't know if anyone else does this, but in this family, happiness is directly linked to the number of things on the table. After breakfast, we took a walk around the society. There was a live dosa counter downstairs. There was something happening in every corner, and honestly, our society always has so much going on that it's impossible to keep up. There's also a tender coconut stall downstairs, so my dad and me had tender coconut water. Then my mom found out that there were multiple grocery stores in our society, so of course we had to visit all of them. Honestly, she was living her best life. Then for lunch, my mom and dad cooked. My dad made mutton keema, my mom made dosa and also fish curry. I was really tired by this point, so Manjot watered the plants, and also being very sweet, he also made me a glass of Rooh Afza. We all sat and had lunch together, and honestly, these are my favorite kind of moments. Nothing fancy, nothing big, just everyone sitting together at home, eating food and talking. And then finally it was time for my parents to leave. Before they left, we video called Manjot's parents so all of us could be together for a few minutes. And after they left, on our way back, we met the biggest dog ever. He genuinely looked just like Scooby-Doo. And his name was Rusty, which is so funny because my pet brother's name was also Rusty.
It's just the two of us again.
The house is full in its own way now.
You remember?
When we came back home, we were feeling a little sad because my parents had left. So obviously, the one solution was snacks. We had these Nutella biscuits that I had never tried before, and they were actually so good.
It's very nice. Very, very nice. The flavor comes slowly. No. Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah.
And then by the end of the day, it started raining. The sky looked beautiful. Everything felt calm again. And it was one of those endings that make you feel very grateful for ordinary days. This whole weekend was simple, but it was also so full of things that matter the most. Family, old friends, little traditions, comfort food, and being with the people you love. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you very soon in the next one.